Hey guys, I'm gonna do an update on our Charles Joly Lilac. It's been 3 years. I think 2022 is when I last posted the lilac for standard training for my Charles Joly. Let's get to it. Okay, so yeah, the last time I posted was in 2022. That's 3 years ago. But oh, here's our French lilac right here in bloom. Beautiful. Beautiful scented. This is a French lilac. But here's our Charles Joly. I put it out in the sun, afternoon sun. It used to be on the other corner by the house, but I just brought it out here for the video. And here it is. There's still a slight bend to it, but I'm okay with that. And it has grown. Look at all those blooms. Well, so far I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bloom spikes. And yep, the Charles Joly French hybrid lilac, double red. And you can see there is a bend to it. I'm okay with that. And I think I trimmed it here in the fall about about 6 or 7 inches from the center part, and then it shot up about 1.5 feet. Here got one beautiful, well, there's the 2 spikes blooms here, beautiful. I got to smell it, wonderful. And there's here, this is the one I got to, I think I can bend it and smell it. Oh, it smells great. And this one is like a small bloom. It's really short there. But what I'm thinking is, it's just so high up there, I'm not able to smell it, So what I'm thinking is, I'm going to trim these blooms off. I think I should trim it. Trim it all the way back. That way, it'll encourage more spikes here, so that I can get more blooms. Yeah, because it just looks so tall. And look at these ones are starting to grow here. And when these become blooms, it's just going to be even taller of a spike. So that's what I'm thinking. It's really tall for me to, I need to appreciate the blooms at a lower position. Can't reach it, can't smell it unless I bend it or stand on a ladder. So yeah, this is about, let's see, I would say this is about a foot right here. This is about a foot. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 feet is here. Up here, about 4 feet. So yeah, it's pretty tall. But yep, that's a update on our Charles Joly double red lilac, trained to standard. I'm thinking I may just cut off these blooms, bring it in so I could smell it, and then I'll fertilize it so I can have more blooms start to grow out, or flower buds start to grow. It's just the beginning of spring here in Seattle. Lovely, lovely. Show my hand in relation to my hand. Oop, right there. Let's see it. Color, beautiful. See that color? Charles Joly. In a container. Thank you for watching and have a great day.